In this video, I'm going to show you the best browser for browse and download any videos on iPhone. Okay, let's know that. On your iPhone, go to App Store and type browser. Search that. Scroll down a little bit. Yes, this one. Aloha. Actually, I don't know how to pronounce that, but usually I say like this. Touch that, then click install. Okay, let's open this. Yeah. Actually, it's a private search bar. Using this, you can browse privately, or you can also add Google bookmarks. Then touch this plus icon and type Google or anything you want to save. And here just type google.com. Google.com and click save. That's it. Now you can use this Google search bar. And one of the main features I like in this app was ad block and tracker block. It really works good. In addition, one more settings you need to turn on. Just tap these three lines and in settings, ad block, and turn on this block app redirects. That's it. Now it's better. And I already told in the title, you can download any photos and videos on most of the websites you would like. That really works amazing. That's it. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.